How do you use your Monzo card abroad? The first thing to know, Monzo will not block your card just because you're using it in a different country. Instead, it'll send you a notification showing the local exchange rate when you arrive and a spending summary of your trip when you get home. Monzo also won't add any markup to the exchange rate. You always get the real Mastercard rate with zero extra charges. And if a payment terminal asks whether you want to pay in British pounds, always choose the local currency for the best deal. Now let's talk about ATM cash withdrawal fees. Once you go over your free withdrawal limit, a 3% fee applies, but those limits depend on your account type. Free account not used as main bank. £400 fee-free every 30 days in the UK and EEA, and £200 fee-free everywhere else. Free account used as main bank. Unlimited fee-free withdrawals in the UK and EEA, and £200 fee-free everywhere else. Monzo Plus, unlimited fee-free in the UK and EEA, and £400 fee-free everywhere else. Monzo Premium, Perks, or Max, unlimited fee-free in the UK and EEA, and £600 fee-free everywhere else. Keep in mind, the 3 0-day window starts from the date of your first withdrawal, not the beginning of the month. Also, worth noting, some ATMs charge their own fees independently of Monzo, so use a fee-free machine whenever you can. If an ATM or card machine asks you to choose an account type, go with credit. It tends to be the most reliable option. And finally, always carry a backup card. Monzo works anywhere that accepts Mastercard, which covers the vast majority of places, but some customers do occasionally run into issues, so it's always smart to have a backup just in case.